Hi, this is Sean with CrewDog Electronics, and I'm going to show you how to fix a loose gold antenna port with your Stratux unit. Now, if you've had your unit for a while, or if you've been tightening the antennas too tightly, you can have a problem where these gold antenna ports will rotate. Now, when you're putting these black antennas on, you just need to barely make them finger tight. You don't really need to crank it on, but if you have these antennas and you find that you can turn them and rotate these gold ports, you're going to need to tighten the nut on here. Otherwise, you can actually break the pigtail inside. So first step is to take the black antennas off, just like that. You want to turn the unit over and just take these 6 screws off. Now I include the screwdriver and these 2 wrenches with the kits, and that's all you need to really do this yourself. It's a pretty quick fix. So I just loosen these up, or you can take them out all the way. Just try not to lose them because they're small. And the easiest way to do this is just to loosen these up and then leave them all in the same slot here, and then set the bottom part of the case down. There you go. One more. All right, now leave all the screws in there. Now we can move the Raspberry Pi board over, and this will show you how this all works on the inside here. So you can see there's 2 gold ports. On the inside there's a little nut that we can use the wrenches to hold onto. And it's important, you want to hold tension on the inside while you screw the outside, otherwise this will just keep rotating around. So I'm going to hold one of the wrenches here on the outside. And while I'm holding that, I'm going to tighten this one on the outside of the unit. So we're holding it on the inside, rotating on the outside, and you can see I got that nice and tight. And I'll do the same thing for the other side. So put that wrench around the inside, hold it in place with my thumb, and just give this a little bit of a tighten on the outside, make that nice and tight. And you want to make sure these pigtails on the inside haven't turned around and become twisted, because they can actually break. So before I put this back together, I'll tuck these pigtails back underneath the GPS unit so they don't cause any interference. Put this back on. You can see that screw port lines up with the hole. Place that on. Place this back on top. Little notches go into the back here with the SD card. And the screws are already lined up. I'll just tighten them up. And same thing with these. You don't really need to make them super tight. Just hand tighten them here with the little screwdriver that's included. There you go. Now when you put the antennas on, you can see that these gold ports are nice and tight. Other thing I want to make sure is that these are in the correct order. So you've got a little tension washer in the middle there that's holding tension between the nut and that little gold base. So now when I put the antennas on, just hand tighten it, and you can see it's nice and tight. They don't rotate at all. That's it. If you got any questions, feel free to comment here below, or follow us on Facebook, CrewDog Electronics, or send me an email. Thanks for watching.